Are your Windows clock alarms not going off when they're supposed to? This can happen because an alarm is disabled, notification settings are blocking alerts, the clock app needs an update, or Windows isn't configured correctly. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Windows clock alarms not working in 2026. First, open the clock app and select Alarms. Find the alarm you're having trouble with and make sure its switch is turned on. Also check the scheduled time and repeat days to make sure everything is configured correctly. Next, open the alarm settings and check the selected sound. Make sure a valid alarm sound is selected and that the volume on your computer isn't completely muted. If the alarm is active but you can't hear it, the sound or volume settings may be the problem. Now check Windows notification settings. Open Settings, select System, then Notifications, and find the clock app. Make sure notifications are allowed so Windows can display alarm alerts. If alarms still aren't appearing, check Do Not Disturb and other notification modes. Some notification settings can limit or silence alerts from applications. Review the available options and make sure your alarm notifications aren't being unnecessarily blocked. Next, try repairing Windows Clock. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Clock and open its advanced options. Select Repair if it's available. This can fix app problems without resetting its stored data. If repairing doesn't solve the issue, you can try Reset from the same Advanced Options page. Resetting the app can clear its stored data and return it to its default state, so use this option after trying Repair. Finally, check for updates. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and install available updates. Then check the Microsoft Store for Clock app updates. Keeping Windows and the Clock app updated can help resolve bugs and compatibility problems. And that's how to fix Windows clock alarms not working in 2026. Start by checking the alarm settings, sound, and notifications, then repair or reset the clock app and install updates if necessary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.